Okay, this is a British Rail Class 444 from Clapham Junction to Portsmouth and Southsea. Oh, and the rear is a Class 450. So they've coupled a Class 450 to Class 444, which is quite interesting. So the difference being Class 450 have these double doors, which lead straight into the passenger cabin, whereas Class 444 has these massive single doors, and it leads to this sort of area which is then outside the passenger cabin. So it's another set of doors here. So you get this sort of area here, whereas in the Class 450, the double doors lead straight into the passenger area. But sometimes they do couple both classes, like what we've just seen. So we're now departing Clapham Junction. So these massive doors, they take ages to open and shut. Alright.